Hi, I'm Walker.
Hi, I'm Bryce,
And we're the No Life Guys.
Don't sell your dreams so soon. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a heart, I hear to hold on to. Everywhere you look, everywhere there's a place of somebody who needs you. Everywhere you look.
Okay, alright, so we put the case in, we've unraveled the case, put the PSU in, the power supply, and now we put the RAM,
The
and
CPU.
the CPU in, which
Into the motherboard,
is
yes.
scary.
Yes,
Very
very scary.
And so, now, we are going to be putting in the CPU cooler, the heatsink. Please remove before install. Not sure if we do or not.
Is that thermal paste?
Yeah, that's thermal paste, right?
Oh, okay. Whew,
So we've got thermal paste.
that is good.
So, okay, this is. We're gonna have to take a quick break, make sure we know what to do with this.
Hey,
We're back. It's only been a real quick second for you, but it's been, I don't know, it's been like 30 minutes.
it has been half an hour.
I've been like figuring out this. The instructions aren't very helpful because everything's AMD, not Intel. But I figured it out.
Yes.
And we're gonna be doing this for so.
Yes.
Now we're gonna do thermal paste onto this.
Yes.
If I can open this up.
Cooler, everything. It's just the fun process. Fun process.
Now, Bryce.
Yes. I have to hold it on there with the paste.
Don't push it hard. Just hold it like. Wait.
And above all else, stay safe and don't get hurt.
Okie dokie then.
Okay. It's all fun and games till something breaks. And then there's just tears. If we reused for it. Or it's just hard, it's annoying, it's stressful. As I call it, Heart Attack City, you know? Make it more tedious.
Yeah.
More tedious than it already is.
You got that tedious counter up.
Mm-hmm. We've probably said it over 50 times. But now it's my guess, at least. It's my guess.